A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Hey, say, some real liar prophet they out in our world. And you fit test the spirit them to make sure, say, a Holy Spirit really attack through them. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the first letter from John, chapter 4, from verse 1 to verse 6. My friend, no believe in every spirit we say them come from God. What you fi do, I test the spirit them, to see if they come from God for true. Cause enough false prophet gone out all over the world. This are all we have to find out if they really have God's spirit. No spirit, we say Jesus Christ they come in the world like one man, come from God. Any spirit, we say a lie, say Jesus they come like one man, no come from God at all. That spirit there are the spirit for the one where go against God. Remember say uno did hear say the one where go against God would have come. Well, him there already. Me pick me when me love. Uno a God pick me. And uno see the one them where go against God, uno win them already. Cause the one way in uno more powerful than the one way in the world. Them are worldlian and they talk like worldlian. And the world listen them. We are God pick me. Anybody when know God, listen to it. But all who no know God, no want hear what we have to say. This are how we know the true spirit from the liar spirit. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.